Hello guys. So I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I don't have pick any topic, but I have to share some important topics. Not topics, some kind of tips that will be maybe help your communication skills and help you to learn and the thinking process in your mind. Right? The people often struggle with think the or convert the scenario in native to English is hard part, right? So many beginners face this situation. So if you have to overcome these kind of struggles, you have to consume lot of English content. So try to watch some podcast. It may be anything, not only podcast. It may be a series or cartoons, anime, like or any stand-up comedians. Like you maybe see a lot of people try to in kind of shows, that kind of shows, the people speak normally. Like that should be like in a day-to-day conversation. That also help you to speak and communicate better. So try to watch and try to consume the lot of English content. You have to improve your listening skills. So when you have a better listening skills, you can easily understand what the opposite speaker try to communicate, and you have to easily respond with them. So before going to learn thousands of vocabularies, first develop your listening skills, because it's very crucial to improve your fluency also. Because after you hearing lot of and you consuming lot of English content, then your brain automatically process it. They can easily understand where we can to use these kind of words and how we can to utilize these kind of phrases, maybe idioms, like that. A lot of things, so it can help us to processing quickly. So we don't have time blah. We don't have to do this kind of activities during the speech, because we know that exact content to speak, not a content. Okay, so like that you can easily come up with this. So try to consume lot of English by watching videos, or and also try to do shadow practicing. That also helps your fluency and the pronunciation skills. So that's about today, guys. So I'm also listening so many English videos actually, before, because how to say, I'm sorry for that this kind of confusion. So actually I also used to watch some kind of animes by using the subtitles. So that will also help to me to gather some vocabularies, and that help me in sentence formatting. And now I watching some kind of real-time videos, maybe vlogs, like that. I watching some kind of videos that also help me to develop my vocabularies and that way of speaking. Because in maybe the lot of black contents maybe depends on the day-to-day communication, right? So it also helps you in your daily life. So try to consume a lot of contents. So thank you guys. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.